The S&P absolutely just doing nothing. I bought calls. I bought calls in SPY and Tesla this morning, and they were green. I was like, this is great. This is gonna be a great play. I put my phone in my pocket, apparently at the absolute peak, because when I opened it up again, we were just really red. Yeah, come on. So down on, I don't think Tesla recovered. Yeah, I'm down on both those still. Uh, for Tesla's for next week, SPY was for next week as well because today's Thursday. Mm, I don't know. Bullish overall, but this choppiness seems weird. I can't put my finger on it. Uh, let's do the NASDAQ real quick, and then we'll talk about it. NASDAQ's playing back and forth between these speed bump zones. But what I'm going to talk about here in a second, I think, is why. Because sometimes you'll see this, and I use these as like a market indicator. Again, we're going to gauge confidence off of, is there a bunch of green candles we're buying, a bunch of red candles we're selling? I think this time, I guess that conversation is the chicken or the egg coming first. Um, but we're really dancing around. We just for formality, we'll talk about Russell. It's doing a good job selling off. I wouldn't even worry about this till it hits the that yellow zone. Tom Lee. Let's just it's getting further and further away from reality. All right, so let's just go to the Mag 7 real quick. Tesla selling off. Meta doesn't even know what a red candle is. Microsoft selling off. Nvidia, oh, back to green. Amazon can't figure it out. Sometimes they sell things online, sometimes they don't. It's right there in the middle. Apple also sideways after some massive selling off. So you see how every one of these is either really up, really down, or like they're just confused because they're like that awkward person and watching their friends break up. Like, who do I be friends with? And that's what I think overall is driving this action between the speed bump zones. So I don't know which one I would say is like which one breaks out first, which one causes the other one to go. Is kind of where my head's at right now.